What's good, YouTube? It's been a while. I'm coming out the woodworks, bro, but it's just like a little update video for y'all. We haven't put nothing in the car yet. I'll show y'all real quick. As y'all see, the car has been sitting, nothing done to it, just collecting dust. You can see, all bad, man. It's been sitting probably for like 2-3 months already, I want to say. Yeah, man, all bad, but we're coming back stronger. But the update is we're no longer going with the 6.4 BGE block. We are going to be going with the 75/7 block that I had. I was talking to somebody that's going to rebuild my block. He said we should do this, that, you know. So we're like, okay, let's just do that. Because if I was going to do the BGE block, I would have had to buy new heads. So these, I was gonna have to buy a 6.4 head CNC. I was gonna have to buy like basically build a whole new block, and that's something I didn't want to do because I don't have the pockets for it, you know. But we're gonna do a little something. So we're doing the 5.7 block with forged internals, so forged pistons, forged rods, forged crank, all that good stuff. So as y'all can see, I was doing some work. I took on some pistons. So the pistons, like I showed y'all, were cooked. Y'all can see. Oh, which one is it? Oh, it's one of this one is one of them. Which one else? Which one else? This one was another one. This one was another one. So yeah, as y'all can see, they're pretty cooked. These didn't look that bad, like the bearings or whatever. They didn't look bad. But yeah, it was like 4 or 3 of them that were cooked. But yeah, man, like I said, forged internals. We're gonna bore the block 20 over, and it's gonna be a 3937, I think. I don't remember the number. I'll put it up on the screen for y'all to see. But yeah, man, I don't want to undress the block right now. All right, I'll just show y'all. So boom, this is the block undressed. Well, not all the way, but like, or disassembled, but not all the way. Where y'all can see, it looks pretty good. And I'm gonna change out the crank, so the crank don't really matter. I might have to change the timing cover just because right here it looked worse, but this is where the water pump sits, and right here is like kind of cooked. I don't know if like the water pump, yeah, I'm not sure, but it was like this part down here. I don't know if it wasn't on right, I don't know what, but yeah, so we're just cooking it up. And cranks, well, to me seems fine. See, let's turn it over. I don't know, it seems fine, but yeah, man, we're gonna change all this, bore the block, hone it as well. I haven't took out the cam. I am gonna be selling the cam. Whoever wants it is the Mark 82 cam that I've been telling y'all I have on this build. I'm gonna be pulling that out. I just haven't pulled it out because of the harmonic balancer still on there. I have to obviously take that out to take out the cam. That's why I haven't taken out the cam. All right, so I put everything back on just because I didn't want it to get dusty or whatever. But yeah, that's that. We also did get the Hellcat fuel tank for the RT. I'll show you how to. So this is yes, I know it's sitting outside. Just because we've been moving stuff around, but that's the fuel tank from my Hellcat. The reason why we went with that is because, show you the fuel housing, the fuel housing on this fuel tank is way different, so you can't just like slap on any aftermarket fuel pumps. So yeah, man, it was a whole problem. I'm pretty sure y'all remember me struggling to find a fuel pump for this car, and I couldn't find one. There's the dog's crying. Another thing is coilovers. We got coilovers for the car. I just haven't put them on. I made a review on them. I just never put them on, so I'm gonna put those on once we get the engine back in as well. But as of right now, I'm gonna show y'all the new parts that have arrived. Look at these dogs, bro. How'd you even get over here? You can't get back over. Come on now. These dogs are free if you guys want one, bro. Alright, so we came inside, but this is what we got. We got some rods, which I can see. We got all of them in here. We got that. We also got the pistons, as you can see. They're coated. It's shining, look at that. Sheesh. We also got the bearings and everything else. I've ordered the crank already as well. Just waiting on that. Should get here this week, hopefully. I am gonna have to order a new cam. So like I said, that cam that I have in the car right now is the in the block right now is the Mark 82. So if y'all want that, let me know. I'll be selling it. Nothing wrong with it. And I also got the push rods for it that go with it as well, so let me know. But yeah, man, these are the pistons. This one is kind of iffy, but yeah, these are the pistons, and that's all we have right now, but we get in there. All right, I thought I was gonna end the video, but I'm continuing it. Today is another day. What was the next day? I'm trying to take off the harmonic balancer to take off the time cover and the crank as well. I'm gonna try to take it to the machine shop today. Hopefully I can. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Little tip, if y'all have it like naked already and like forgot to take off the harmonic or whatever, if you're just at this point and trying to take off the harmonic balancer and the timing cover, something you could do is, you know, stick, I mean, obviously it's not the safest way to go about it, but you could like stick a little thick screwdriver, flathead. It has to be a very thick one, as you can see, and put on your ratchet and turn it like that, and the screwdriver will get stuck, so it won't like rotate the whole rotating assembly, you know, the crank or whatever. So that's one way to go about it. Or you could just use an impact gun if you have that, you know. I do have one, just that someone took my compressor tank thing for something else, so I had to improvise. But yeah, as of right now, trying to take out the harmonic. Well, I already got it loose. Now I'm gonna use that to take it out, but yeah, that's what we on right now. So boom, we got it off. Pretty easy. You are gonna need one of these, bruh, so I can like recommend y'all to get one. You could rent it at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, wherever. Also use this bolt when you're trying to take it off. Don't put it onto the crankshaft like I did. This wasn't right now. This was last time when I first took off the harmonic balancer. I like, you know, got right into the crankshaft, as you can see. But yeah, man, I learned my lesson, and I used the same bolt that came off the harmonic bonnet or the crankshaft right here. I use this. So use this, bro. Don't use this. Use this. But yeah, it was cake. Now I'm gonna turn it over. Let's see here. How bad? Boom, right there. Lock it in place. These little engine stands, they come in clutch, bro. But yeah, we got it turned over. Now that I got it turned over, I'm pretty sure I could take off my timing cover, and then I'm gonna take off these right here, all of them, pull out the crank, and get it all naked. It should be naked after that. Bad news is though, I'm not gonna be able to take it today. I might take it Wednesday, just because today I feel like I'm gonna be all rushed. Tomorrow got a haircut appointment like at 3, so I won't be able to go. And Wednesday I'm free, so I'm gonna be able to do it Wednesday, or take it Wednesday. So we're just gonna take it Wednesday. He said it should take like about a week for them to bore and hone the block. So I ain't tripping. I mean, the car's already been sitting, so what is 1 week gonna do, you know? I mean, I still gotta wait for the crank, the new crank, the forced crank that we're putting in here. I'm also gonna be waiting for the camshaft that we're putting in here. We're gonna go with a comp cam this time for boost. This cam that I have, Mark 82, is not for boost, and it's a small cam. It does have a good chop to it, but it's a very small cam. It's not bad. I'm not saying it's bad. It's good, but for like if you're trying to make power out of it, this cam won't be the one for you. If you get me, you'll have to run like a bigger cam, so like a comp cam or not Texas cam. But the FRP Mark 82 cam is a small cam, not good for boost. Like if you're a daily driver, you want to hear that chop, you want to get some amount of horsepower out of it, then your Mark 82 cam is the one. But we're gonna be swapping out this cam. If y'all want it, I'll, you know, sell it to y'all. Cool, $200 with the push rods, 300 if y'all want it. Literally, I'm gonna pull it out right now for y'all can see that there's nothing wrong with it, and the push rods are perfectly fine as well. They're all right there. You can see they're from Flying Reidperformance as well. Let's get to it, back to it. All right, so y'all can see we took out the crankshaft. Everything's out. Have it in the box right here. This is my first time ever doing this, working on a block. It's the first time for everything. I think that's how that saying goes. But I think I low-key cooked myself, because now I can't take off the cam. I can't take off the camshaft now, bro, because I don't know if you could still take it off, because I was supposed to, like, I guess leave the harmonic a little bit on, and like for me to be able to take off the camshaft bolt right here. And I'm not sure, bro, but yeah, I couldn't take this off, so I couldn't take off the camshaft bolt, so couldn't take out the cam. And yeah, man, I'm gonna just take it like this. I mean, I don't think the cam is gonna get in the way. We're not using that cam anymore, so if he really wants to take it off, then by all means go ahead and take it off. I mean, it's just holding on by one bolt, you know, just one bolt and take out the cam. But I don't know, I'm gonna leave that to the experienced people, you know. So I mean, when they bore it, they're just using the, like, you know, right here, the camshaft is not gonna get in the way. So that's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna just leave it like that, man. We literally got everything off. It's just the block now, obviously, just with the cam. Huh? All right, y'all, so I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna put the bag back on and let it sit. Probably, yeah, I'm gonna have to most likely take it on Wednesday, just because the guy closes at 5, and it's already, right now it's already like 5 something. I had to, like, you know, disassemble the block. That's what they told me to do. So I didn't have time to take it, like, as soon as I got out of work. But yeah, man, I'm gonna have to take it Wednesday. Tuesday, like I said, I had an appointment to cut my hair, and it's at 3. Once again, they close at 5, the machine shop, so I'm not gonna make it on time. Wednesday is the only time I'm not doing anything, and I get out of work like around 1 something. So I'll probably have time that day to, you know, take the block, leave it, do what I gotta do with it. But yeah, man. I know it's a mess, don't mind the mess, but yeah, it's been a mission trying to get this car up and running again. Hopefully we're pushing good power at the end of this little journey we're doing, you know, or whatever. But yeah, man, can't wait. Just playing the waiting game, gotta be patient. You know, obviously I missed the car, haven't driven it in a cool minute, bro, and I'm missing it bad. But that's what comes with like the car scene, you know. Like when you're building a car, you're gonna be down. You're gonna be down for a couple days, couple months, probably years, who knows. But yeah, man, well, this is just a little update video for y'all. It wasn't like I was gonna do like put parts already in the car or anything. It was just like a whole little update for y'all. For y'all could see what I'm doing. I haven't forgot about y'all. I haven't forgot about the YouTube channel. I know I haven't posted for a minute, but yeah, man, we've been getting there slowly but surely. Hopefully we can make, supposedly it was rated for like 1,000 horsepower, but I don't know. We're gonna see what it makes once we hit the dyno, because man, hopefully we push high numbers. I am gonna have to buy a new transmission and torque converter as well if they end up telling me. I'm pretty sure I am pushing that much horsepower. I don't know how much this transmission can handle, but we're gonna test it out. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, I know it was very short, but I just wanted to put something out there for y'all. Won't say I forgot about y'all, but if y'all like the video, I know y'all didn't get any helpful information out of it, but if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Deuces.